Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner, and this is Mac Voices at CES. I'm in the Motorhead's phone booth. Yes, Motorhead's phone, folks. Talking to Anders, the brand manager for Motorheadphones. Anders, welcome to Mac Voices.
Thank you very much.
Anders, I was here yesterday when you announced the Motorheadphones with Lemmy here. It was an amazing crowd for an event like this. I don't think I've seen any booths that were quite this stacked.
No, we were amazed ourselves to have such a great interest, such a huge interest for our product here, as with actually the first time we're showing it here in the US.
Anders, there are 1 million headphones here at the show, and there are probably another 1 million that didn't come to the show. What makes Motorheadphones so different?
Well, first we would like to combine good audio quality with a lifestyle branding. So we are made a lifestyle headphone for people that like rock music, those who listen to rock music and the design and attitude of rock. What we experience is that if you look on lifestyle headphones that are out there, there is a lot of good headphones out there, but they're all focusing on music with a lot of bass, like rap, hip-hop, dance, dubstep. And they try to beat themselves to get as much bass as possible. And technically, the only way to do that is to depress the mid-range, to get the gap between the bass and the mid-range. So doing that, if you take a tune that is rock music, and when I talk rock music, it's more rock music in a wide perspective, like everything like from Allman Brothers or Bruce Springsteen to Metallica, Slipknot or something like that. All of that kind of music has much more mid-range, and if you listen to that music in that kind of lifestyle headphones, you don't hear anything. It sounds like a water cloud over the song. And we want to take that back. So what we did is, as we all, both the band and I, come from the professional audio industry, we took all the components and technology from professional studio headphones, built our headphone from zero, and wanted to, with that technology, make a sound that you can use for daily use, to daily listening, to take out on the street. And of course you want to have nice bass, but it will not be depressing or affecting the mid. So if you look at the mid, we still have the clarity. We have a good instrumental separation in the mid. We have worked very much out to trying to figure out what makes guitars sound good in music, because guitars is a tricky thing to reproduce. And that is something that we've worked hard with to tooling. And we are very proud of the products that come here.
I had a chance to listen to them, and you talk about clarity, and it's amazing how clear they sound, how sharp they sound. I still get the bass, but it's not booming and it's not drowning out everything else.
No, you have very little distortion in it. So that with that you have this clear sound. Also, working with studio headphones components, we have a headphone that stands at approximately between 6 and 10 times the power handling compared to other lifestyle brands. It gives us dynamics that we can use in the music, that give us a completely different dimension to the sound. And more, just if you leave the audio side, look on the design, we wanted to have the design that goes with the element of rock. Also, it shall be durable. So what we've done, that we have avoided all loose parts in the headphone, because loose parts can break. And that's why we have a self-adjustable headband. We have 4mm steel wires going through the whole headphone. And it's actually the steel wires that are the conductors. We have no wires in them. It means that you can smash, it's like Mickey D says, you can smash your producer if it doesn't do what you told. And we also use ear cushions. That also takes on studio world, because if you work in the studio, you use the headphones for 8 hours or something like that. It needs to be comfortable. And velvet air cushions gives a better noise isolation as well. Also, small details like this. We're talking about loose parts. If you look on a connector, the only place where you have moving parts is on the female side. We have placed a male side on the headphones because it can't break. So if it, of some reason, breaks, it's the cable that breaks. So it's better to throw away the cable compared to throw away the headphones. Also, we have a cable that's very durable, tangle-free. There's no memory in it, so it gets straight right away. We have a right-angle connector. Take less space and save the headphone, the smartphone or the tablet or whatever you connect it in. Things like that we're doing to make it as durable as possible.
A lot of little details here, and it's interesting to hear you talk through them. Most of us don't think about those things until the headphones break or something goes wrong, and then you think, gee, this is a dumb design. You have really thought through it.
Well, we actually worked with this for 2 years now. It's been a long process. The band is very involved in that, so we actually have doing prototypes, sending them over the globe, because the band lives in Sweden, UK, and here is in Los Angeles. We were traveling back and forward until we have this. And we were glad that it took so long time, so we can get a product that we actually all can stand behind and do.
Okay, so a lot of engineering, a lot of thought has gone into this. They sound great, certainly to my ears, for the kind of music I like. What kind of pricing?
The pricing is, we have the Bomber that is an on-ear headphone, will go for $99 here retail in US. We have the Iron Fist that is an over-ear, will go for $109. And the Motorizer will go for $129. If you take this, there you get a small cable with a controller on. And this controller that we call the Controlizer is one of the most advanced controller that is out here. You actually have 19 functions on it. Not just control the music or control the telephone calls, you can even control the video, the camera with the controller. So it's a really smart little piece that we have there.
Very nice, very nice. Now, that's just with the Motorizer, or that's a separate unit?
It comes with the Motorizer. It also comes with the Bomber, but you can buy it as an accessory as well.
Yeah. How about the people that actually want to go and get these? Where do we send them?
Well, so far you can find it online here in the US. We have some online stores that have begun already. We launched this, we actually started shipping 2 months ago in Europe. But you will see rapidly here, they coming up in retail in the States shortly. Yeah.
And the website is Motorheadphones.com?
Yeah.
Perfect.
There you find all the information.
Anders, thank you so much for your time.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay.
Folks, I'm Chuck Joyner. This is Mac Voices at CES. Where am I? CES. Back with more soon. Thanks for watching. Mac Voices TV is part of the Mac Voices Group at MacVoicesGroup.com. Advertising handled by Backbeat Media at BackbeatMedia.com.